Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to verify your Cash App account. So let's get started. So it is very easy to verify. You have to follow these easy steps. So here you can see. So it is very important to verify your identity in the Cash App because it will increase your limitations of the transaction and it will be very easy to use. So first of all, you will just open your Cash App and log in into your account. Go to into your profile located into upper left corner of the screen. Just click on personal, then click on verification section, and at the verification you have to provide a government issue ID or an SSN ID. Then your identification will be verified in some time, and it will take up to like couple of days and it will be verified. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.